In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Canva templates to your Wix website. This process is quick and simple, allowing you to enhance your website with beautiful designs you've created on Canva. Let's dive into it. First, we'll start by opening Canva. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do that. Once inside, navigate to the specific design you want to transfer over to your Wix website. It's important to have your design polished and ready for upload before proceeding to ensure a smooth transition. Next, look towards the top right of your Canva screen and you'll find the Share button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Download to save your design locally to your computer. You'll need to choose the appropriate file type that suits your needs. PNG is often a solid choice for web use because it maintains high quality and supports transparency if it's a necessary feature of your design. Choose your preferred file type and go ahead and click Download. This will save the design to your designated Downloads folder or wherever your browser is set to save files. With your Canva design safely stored on your computer, it's time to head over to your Wix website. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the Wix editor for the specific site you're working on. At the top menu, you'll see an option labeled Media. This is where all your resources will be organized. Click on it, and you'll notice a further option to upload media. Once you click on Upload Media, you'll receive a prompt to select a file. Here, you'll need to locate the file you just downloaded from Canva on your computer. Simply click to select your design file, and then watch as it uploads into your Wix Media library. Now that your design is uploaded, locate it in the Media folder and click on it. You'll then be able to either choose to use it in the existing page configuration or navigate within the editor to the place where you want it to appear. Align and adjust the size of your design directly within the Wix editor to best suit the aesthetics and functionality of your site. You can drag it, resize it, and position it exactly where you want, using the tools and guidelines available in Wix to help perfect the placement. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and sits on the page, you're done. Your Canva design is now beautifully incorporated into your Wix site, enhancing the visual appeal and consistency of your online presence. This straightforward method turns your creative output into tangible results on your website, making your digital space a personal and professional reflection of your unique style. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime you want to refresh or add new designs to your pages. Thanks for watching and happy designing.